2026 is shaping up to be the first year where a lot of people finally realize something uncomfortable. Their job has already been replaced, and they just haven't felt it yet. Not automated, not outsourced, replaced quietly. In November 2025 alone, Amazon, UPS, and Target announced more than 60,000 job cuts. They didn't blame AI directly, but the timing speaks for itself. Companies didn't pour billions into AI because it was interesting. They did it because eventually it has to pay off. So to understand where the jobs are going, you don't need forecasts, just look at the tools you already use. ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, they give anyone instant access to almost any piece of knowledge in the world. Use 11 Labs and you can generate professional level audio in under a minute. Sora can create video shots and animations that once took teams of artists days or weeks, and this is just early. What's coming next is far more disruptive. Agentic AI workers. These aren't chatbots that answer a question and stop. They can complete entire workflows end to end without human involvement. Writing code, running logistics, handling customer support, drafting legal documents, planning operations, and unlike people, they don't get tired. They don't need breaks, they don't leave, and they improve themselves over time. So when people say AI is helping workers, that was true in 2023. By 2026, AI isn't just helping, it's starting to replace routine parts of many jobs quietly, consistently, and without fanfare. Here's the second sign, and it's the one people consistently underestimate. Capitalism always pushes companies towards the cheapest, most efficient option. Over the last 2 years, corporations have spent hundreds of billions on GPUs, data centers, integrations of AI, and software. There has to be a return on this investment. And the fastest, cleanest way to do that is to reduce the biggest recurring cost any company has: payroll. AI agents don't need healthcare, they don't take holidays, they don't unionize, they don't leave a company for better pay, and once they're deployed, they run at a fraction of the cost of a full-time human employee. And the cuts are not going to start at the top, they start at the bottom. It's entry-level roles, support roles, graduate roles. The least paid positions are the easiest ones to automate first. If you think companies are going to stop and consider what they're doing, whether its impacts are too great, think again, because what's happening behind the scenes is different. It's a global AI arms race. If one company slows down, the competitor pushes ahead. If one country stops and hesitates, the next one will take advantage of that. And every improvement in AI makes the next improvement even faster. It's a compounding loop. And the finish line, everyone aiming at is the same: artificial general intelligence. A system that can outperform humans across essentially all cognitive tasks. That includes mine, and it includes yours. What can we do about this in the short term? Well, learn the tools, use them, adapt. But there is a bigger question here, one that goes beyond any of us. As a society, we're going to need to decide what kind of future we want before it just gets built for us. This conversation can't fit into this video, but it's one we need to have.